Okay, hey everybody, it's Adam. What I'd like to show you today is how to create a cloze type question. Okay, I have a nice paragraph here, and I'd like to use some of the nice vocabulary here to test my students in an exercise that they might be used to seeing in their exams. How am I going to do this? Well, I'm going to be doing it through Moodle and the HotPot add-on that we have installed on our server. Okay. Let's say that this is the text that I've taken from breakingnewsenglish.com that I'd like to use. Okay, this is level 1, various levels for different classes, more advanced learners. I would come to my HotPotatoes application that's on my computer. Okay, it's a free application that you can download, and I would choose the Jcloze activity. When it opens, I would add a title and I would just paste in the text that I would like to use. To create a closed question, it's very simple. I highlight the word I would like to use to get my students to produce, and I would create a gap there by choosing the gap option below. If I want to, I can add a clue. I could also add some alternative synonyms or collocations that would also work in this case. But for now, I'm just going to keep it simple. Okay, you can see that the word is now italicized and it's changed to red and is underlined to show that that's where my gap is. Okay, I can now go through and choose any other bits of vocabulary that I would like to create another gap for. Okay, heading for war, another gap there. Shot down, or phrasal verb, let's put another gap there. And let's see, one more. Okay, linked to. Okay, I like that. Linked to. Okay, I have 4 questions now. If I show words, I can now quickly go back through and check which words that I've highlighted, what clues have I given, if I wanted to modify anything, or if I'd thought of any other alternative correct answers. And with these buttons, I can add as many possible options as I would like. Okay, now that I've created this quiz, I can File, Save As. Okay, and that's a location on my computer, okay, on my hard drive. I'm going to come over to Moodle, the class that I'd like to add this activity to, turn editing on, scrolling down to the unit I would like to add it to, add an activity, HotPot. And I'll be prompted with this screen. It's going to ask me for the name, and I'm just going to get the name from the source file. The source file itself, I can drag and drop, or I can click to choose to select the location on my computer. War between India and Pakistan. Open that up. I can just add a name there, just for my own use for the future. Upload this file, and that's basically it. Save and display. Let's take a look at that activity. Let's have a preview. You can see now that it's created a really nice little activity for our students to work on some of their vocabulary. If I were to be attempting this and I didn't have a clue, what is it, what could it be, I can ask for a hint and it's going to letter by letter kind of reveal that answer for me, okay, just to give them an extra bit of support. Okay, so that's it, easy peasy, nice simple way to add an extra bit of homework or to bring an authentic text to life in the classroom.